Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a custom owner property on HubSpot. In HubSpot, properties store information about a contact, company, deal, or ticket. Your HubSpot account includes a number of contact, company, deal, and ticket properties by default. However, you may need additional properties to gather information for your business marketing, sales, and service processes. Record owner properties such as contact owner, company owner, deal owner, and ticket owner are included in your HubSpot account as default properties. But you can also create custom properties that will allow you to set any user in your account as an owner for your contact, companies, deals, or tickets. You can use custom owner properties to segment your records based on multiple owners. So let us walk you through how to create a custom owner property. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Log into your HubSpot account. That's www.hubspot.com. Once you're in, click the Settings cog located on the top right. On the Settings page, click the Properties section on the left. On the Property settings, click the Create a Property to start creating one. Type the label. This is a brief description of the property that will appear internally on records. The label will also be the external default form field label for the property when used as a field on a HubSpot form. Indicate the internal name. Though it will auto-populate, once you have indicated the label, it is up to you if you want to change it. Please be advised that you cannot edit this once the property has been created. Fill in the description field. This is a short explanation of the property for internal use only. Next, select a group. It may be a default group or one of your custom groups. Your properties are all stored in groups, so you can keep them organized. Select a field type for your property based on the type of information you'll be gathering. Once you're done, click the Create button to save your new property. You should see a prompt on top saying that your property has been created. You can locate the created property under the group that you had selected when you created this. And that's it. That's how you create a custom owner property on HubSpot. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.agency and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon!